Hello, lovely people. I hope you're all doing really well. I am so sorry that I've lost my voice, so it's going to be a bit croaky on the voiceover today. I do apologise for that. But this video is going to be my cozy spend the evening with me routine, doing chores and housework and cleaning and showing you what I do once the babies are in bed. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the youngest babe to bed. I'm going to put my 1-year-old Cooper to bed, and then a little bit later I put my 5-year-old to bed. Now they're both down, the first thing I'm going to do is light a candle. This just relaxes me so much. I've also found this really cute YouTube video of this autumnal fireplace. I don't have a real fireplace, so this is the next best thing. So I've set up a cozy little corner for me to tidy up the toys. I have to tidy up the toys after the boys go to bed. I cannot relax with the toys everywhere, so I have to tidy them all up and put them away. Now the toys are away, I'm going to tidy up the kitchen, just tidying up the pan from dinner, loading up the dishwasher, and I'll turn that on. I love the hum of the dishwasher. It makes me feel really productive and like I'm getting things done. I'm just going to tidy up everything else, and then I'm going to give the sink and the area around the sink a little scrub using my pumpkin scrub daddy. How cute is this? Also, if you're wondering why half the kitchen is black, it's because we've painted half of it, but we still have half to go. That's why there's green tape everywhere, and why half the kitchen is black and half is grey, but it will all be done eventually. I love to just spray down the kitchen sides and give them a wipe as well on the evening. Honestly, I cannot believe I've lost my voice. My job is literally to speak, and I have no voice. I'm just going to run around the floors with the hoover, just picking up any crumbs that have dropped on the floor when I was making dinner or when I was cleaning up. And I'll just do the same in the family dining room and do the boys' playmat as well, especially under the dining table because my kids make such a mess. Well, actually, my oldest makes such a mess. The baby actually isn't very messy at all. As I said, I'm going to get a dishwasher tablet and turn on the dishwasher. And as a new school week starts tomorrow, I'm just going to prep my son's uniform. I'm going to get 5 shirts, 5 jumpers, 5 trousers, and make sure I've got enough uniform for the week. Then I'm just going to steam his polo shirts and his jumpers to make sure that there's no creases and they look all smart, ready for school. This steamer, I get so many questions about this, but honestly guys, this is just a really cheap, easy one, but I am investing in a proper one. I don't really rate this one that much. It runs out of water really quickly and it drips. So I'm going to invest in a proper one and I'll let you guys know when I find one. But for now, just hold tight. I'm just going to hang up the uniform ready for the morning on the door. As you can see, there's drip marks on the jumper as I was telling you, but they'll be dry by the morning. I'm just going to hang it all up so it's ready to go. And that is me basically done. I'm going to now set up my little haven in my living room, get the sofa ready, get a little blanket because I love to get under a cozy, turn the lamps on and get ready to switch off. As I haven't done a food shop, I've also treated myself to a Domino's tonight, so I'm going to set that all up, turn on Netflix, get on the latest box set that I'm watching, and just set up my little haven corner where I can finally sit down and relax. I will do a little bit of work, but I'll just do it on my lap while I'm watching Netflix. But guys, that is generally what my cozy evenings look like at the moment after the kids go to bed. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry if this is my first video and my voice is gone. I promise it'll be back really soon. But thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.